All right, we're going down. Oh.
Dude, you gotta edit some of that other footage.
I know. I looked at it and it's pretty good.
I'll help you one day if we can get together and edit.
All the time.
I know what you mean. Like, oh, it's like, this is one of those.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold.
One of those moments.
Why is it so cold?
Dude, it's really muddy.
Yeah, I know.
This might not be.
I don't know how I feel about this.
I know, I don't feel good about it.
Like, I really don't want to go all the way upstream. It's way worse than I thought. I know I just said it wasn't that bad.
It might get better. We just have to change up our, we have to fish like really dark colors. You know? Or really bright colors. The extremes.
Yeah, not swim bait.
Yeah, don't.
Why am I?
You're wasting your time, man. Just change up. I don't know what to do about this. I really don't want to reach down there, but I know I have to.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know if you're gonna be able to reach down there.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
I just know where it's at now.
Oh. Well, we thought it was way too muddy, but we caught one. Or I caught one. It was fighting so hard. It's probably about 1.8, 1.9. Pretty good fish. Yeah. Second fish of the day. Definitely not skunked. On the Crawdad crank. We're gonna release it. Ah, nice smallmouth. You won't even be able to see me release it because it's literally so muddy. I can actually see it. Oh my gosh. He's biting down on my lip, dude. There he goes. Because remember, like, I caught that pretty big fish near the railroad track?
Yeah.
And I lost one that was about 2 pounds. So there was about 2 2-pounders right there, which is just insane in itself.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Like right near the, like right coming up on the railroad tracks is good.
Oh my gosh. Oh, splashed me.
Dude, you're killing with that crankbait.
Yeah, I know. I actually got this one on footage.
Dude, how do I'm always so close to you when I actually try to fish. Like, how do you always beat me by one fish? It's so freaking annoying. Like, I don't know.
I don't know.
Where?
You beat me.
Nope. I don't, yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Third one of the day. Not bad. Look, Rhett.
Well, I beat you before. It's not yeah, nice.
Not as big. About a pound. Dude, he got me all wet. Got the GoPro all wet. Me all wet. Dude, he friggin' hammered it. Oh my gosh, I just caught one right behind you. Nope. That was a log.
This is gonna be one of those days where we're like so glad we did it.
Yeah. It's one of those days where you like don't feel it. You're like, oh, this is garbage. And then it's just freaking like insane. Yeah. Like, when's the last time I've caught fish through that stretch right there? Oh, a while ago. Oh! Bro, one hit it right there.
Dang, man. Alright, that's fine. Oh, I feel so polluted today, man. I hate it.
Fishing polluted creek. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Absolutely get. Oh my gosh! It's big.
Okay.
It has to be. That swirl was insane. No, it's not that big. The swirl was what's insane. No, smallmouth. Get in here.
That same as the last one? 1.6.
Dude, I was gonna say giant. You know how I always do that. I'm gonna stop.
No, you'll know, you know what I mean? You'll know.
Did you see that swirl though? Like he hit it as soon as it hit the water. We'll have to watch that.
The what?
I could have done anything and this fish would have not came off. He was so... What? Yeah, I was just so hooked. So I just caught another one. About 1.6, I'm guessing. Didn't bring the scale today, but I've caught so many. 1.6. We're gonna let it go. He absolutely hammered it on top of the water. All right. Gonna release him right here. Beautiful fish. Gone.
Used to be smart and bring nets.
Oh yeah. And then we would never catch anything big enough to use the net. Bringing a net is bad luck because it's like assuming that you're gonna get big fish. Nice one. Largemouth.
Dude, I don't know why I'm not catching fish, to be honest.
I don't know why you're not catching fish.
Nice one?
I mean, it's not a dink. That ain't no dink. Oh my gosh. All right, we're not gonna show you on the other side of the camera, but that's a largemouth right there. Release it. Probably about a pound. Not a bad one. All right, let's see what else we can get. Oh, a hole. Frick. I just stepped down like so deep and then... Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. Not good.
Oh! I didn't even move.
Language.
How slippery this rock is, dude. This is insane. I've never felt anything more slippery in my life. Come here.
I'm not getting on it. I know what it feels like because I've been on one.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even move and it just...
I didn't even move. Knocks the kayak over.
That just happened.
Oh my gosh.
Hang on, where's my rod?
That's annoying.
That was you.
Canoe.
It was all you, dude. How?
Did that happen? I don't know. I don't know.
I'm not complaining.
Oh.
Anything else really? I mean, I might try the others. If you start catching fish, I might go to the other,
We're not in a good spot right now.
the other Crawdad. Could have been a lot bigger and it could have been tiny. But usually only the big ones run like that.
You have no idea how scared I was. It was that one moment where you're like, is that a fish? It's moving.
Is that a lot?
Golly, man. I thought I had like a giant snapping turtle. Kidding. I was like, this is a big snapping
I
turtle.
didn't have to set the hook because he bit and I waited and he just ran. Like he felt the hook. You know, does that make sense?
Got him. Tiny. He's not that big. What the frick? He's stuck on the tree.
Did he get eaten by it?
Look, he's stuck on there. No, he's gone. No! 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 He's gone. It was the tree all along. No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't. It wasn't. Oh my gosh. I didn't even feel the transition between like the fish eating that.
You felt my drag. Was that a decent fish? I mean, you ran with it.
I don't know. It was probably the same one I just missed. You got him.
It's not big. Actually, it might be. Yeah, that's decent.
That's big. That's pretty dang big. Oh,
You
shoot.
land it for me?
Yeah.
If you don't mind.
Did he get underneath you? Bring him to me.
He's not ready yet. I'll let you know.
Oh my gosh.
He's not ready. He's not ready. Oh, crap.
Oh my gosh, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, that's pretty big. Yeah, let's try. Alright, you ready? Coming toward you. Hey, don't grab the line. Don't grab the
I'm
line.
not grabbing the line, I'm grabbing the rod.
Okay. Let's go for it. He's not hooked very well.
I know.
Just grab him, dude.
I got him. I got it.
Easy 2 point. Easy 2.
Yeah. Just that one face swipe, I thought he was way bigger. Oh my gosh, his jaw.
Is that foul hooked? No, that's not.
No. You and your foul hooks. It's like 99.9, never a foul hook. Like, hold him out more. He looks tiny when you do that. Yeah, that's nice. Twist it that way a little bit. Perfecto. 2. 1.9. It was like the same size as the one I had.
A little bigger,
Little bigger.
yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
Nice.
That's a good shot.
Yeah, just let him go. The hook got me a little bit. He's good. Gone. Dude, I put on one of those virtual reality like Oculus things.
Yeah, the
They're-
Oculus.
Yeah.
They're so
I mean,
fun.
they're not even that good, but
What? They're so fun.
they're good, but they're like, I don't know. I feel like they should be better than that.
It depends on when you play.
Giant, 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 giant. He came off. No, he's still in there.
He's coming toward you real fast, real fast.
Jeebers.
Okay.
Okay, it's just a really strong fish. He's not that big. Look how strong he is. What the
Holy
frick?
cow.
What kind of smallmouth is that?
Dude, why are they
Oh my
so
gosh.
fired up today?
Oh my gosh.
Is that even bigger than? Whoa! What the freak are you doing to your rod? Are you want me to land it?
Oh my gosh.
He's not even as big as the one I caught, is he? He's fighting so hard. Yeah.
Dude, this is like the...
No, your drag's too tight.
Still. Oh my gosh.
Mine was, Still though, yeah, you're right. There. Oh, he's beautiful though. Whoa, is it a... No. Man, you're a brave man sticking your hand in that with a...
That was the strongest, like, smallest smallmouth I've ever caught.
Strength ratio.
Like, when I first hooked into it, I was like, this is a giant. Oh my gosh, double. Double. Doubled up, baby.
This one's little... Oh, it's large one.
Oh, wow. It's not a bad one either.
Yeah.
Am I even filming? Oh, I'm filming. Yep, I am. Dude, that's not a bad one. Just grab him. Here, you want me to get him?
No, I got it. Dude, this guy's jumping.
I'm trying to hold on to this guy for the double, but can't get yours.
Dude, he's freaking. I'm just gonna wait a little bit.
No, let me just grab him.
Okay. No, I'm gonna let him.
Ooh.
Ooh. Look at you can't grab him.
I know.
Okay, let me just.
You have him.
Yeah, I got him.
You have him all the way.
God, I didn't even realize he's. Oh, frick, he's so good. Whatever. Oh, jeez! Look how fat that minute.
Oh my gosh. Wait, hold it to the camera. It's so fat.
It's like 2 pounds.
Other
at
way,
least.
other way. Here, let me get him.
Ah.
Look how fat that is. Oh my gosh.
Like that's at least 2 pounds.
Yeah, it is. It's like 2.2 or 2.1.
Scale.
Dude, it's like almost spawning.
Dude, we're stupid without a scale right now.
Ah!
Dude,
That hurts so bad.
I want a
Okay.
picture of this one, to be honest.
Yeah. We can get a picture of our double.
Up. Oh yeah, man, it's been a while since we've doubled up.
I know.
You remember the last time? Yeah, or I don't know.
So deep though. Hold it up.
Yeah, let me.
Oh my gosh. When you hold it out like that, it's such
You
a
got it?
fat. A little bit so that way. No, so its belly is out. Yeah. No, not that far.
Wait,
yes,
tell me
sir. No, that's good. Smile. Nice.
All right, selfie.
Wait, what?
What?
This is not working. I gotta get on this side or something. Oh wow, yours is just gone. Doubled up. Nice.